Today we're making homemade pizza from scratch with a soft fluffy dough, a delicious homemade pizza sauce and a stuffed cheese crust. We're making it half and half with 2 tasty toppings so you get the best of both worlds in one pizza. Start by preparing the pizza dough. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of oil. Gradually add water while kneading until a soft, smooth dough forms. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rise until it doubles in size. While the dough rises, prepare your toppings. In a pan, cook your marinated chicken breast until fully cooked and set it aside. You'll also need cooked mincemeat for the second half of the pizza. For the homemade pizza sauce, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste along with half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add a small amount of water and mix until smooth, then set aside. Once the dough has risen, roll it out and place it into your prepared pizza pan. We're using a square pan today, so the pizza will have a square base. To make a stuffed cheese crust, add shredded cheese around the borders of the dough, then fold the edges over and seal them well. Spread the prepared pizza sauce evenly over the base, followed by a generous layer of shredded cheese. Since we're making a half and half pizza, add the cooked mincemeat on one side and the cooked chicken to the other. Top the pizza with more cheese, sliced onions, red and yellow bell peppers, and olives. Finish with another light sprinkle of cheese and a few extra olives. If you'd like, brush the crust with an egg wash for a golden glossy finish. Bake in the oven in the pizza setting or at 240 Celsius for about 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven and how crispy you like your crust. Once baked, serve with a drizzle of mayo sauce for extra flavor. And there you have it! A delicious homemade pizza with stuffed cheese crust, loaded toppings, and the perfect balance of flavors. If you enjoyed this easy pizza recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade food, comfort food, and tell me your favorite pizza topping in the comments down below.